Welcome students. Let us see some important MCQs of management. Course code is 22509. Question number 1 is following are mentioned few duties which is not the duty of management. Answer is C, that is to reduce the wastage. Other three are the duties of management. Out of mentioned below, which is not the output of management, C, that is technology, it is not the output of management. Then question number 3 is getting the things done from others, it is called as what? It is called as direction. What is management? Uh, it is science and art. Out of mention below, which is not input of management, human resources, it is not input of management. Other three, that is financial resources, growth and technology, these are input of management. What there is no management, then what will not happen? Wastage of resources. Management is there from D, that is historical period. Match the pairs. Adam Smith, F.W. Tyler, Maslow and Henry Fayol. Answer is A, that is first is for Adam Smith, need hierarchy. Then second is for second, F.W. Toller, that is economics. Third is Maslow, it is scientific management. It is he is father of scientific management, and Henry Fayol, he is father of principle of management. MacGregor has given his contribution theory X and theory Y. F.W. Tyler has given his highest contribution to scientific management. Principle of management is the contribution of Henry Fayol. Below are mentioned stages of evolution of management, which is correct. Time war management concept is the correct. Management is getting the things done by others. It is said by whom? It is said by Mary Parker. Then management is not economic resources, a system of authority, a class or elite. That is option D is correct. All these first three are wrong. Management is methodology, social science and team activity. Henry Fayol has given 14 principle of management. Then following is not the principle of management. Staffing, it is not principle of management. Initiative, scalar chain and responsibility, it is principle of management. Following is not the principle of management. Organizing, it is also not principle of management. While teamwork, division of work, remuneration, it is a principle of management. Then following is not principle of management. Decentralization, it is not principle of management. While centralization, authority and spread the crops, these are the principle of management. Following is not the principle of management. D, that is planning, it is principle, it is not principle of management, while authority, discipline, equity are the principle of management. Position, designation, seniority defines authority. Meaning of dash is right to command. Meaning of authority, it is right to command. Which statement is wrong? Authority cannot be delegated. This statement is wrong, while other three statements are true. What is the second side of coin of authority? Responsibility is the second side of coin of authority. Discipline starts from top to bottom. Which statement is wrong? Discipline start from bottom to top. This statement is wrong. When many functions are controlled by central authority, it is called as centralization. Then question number 28 is dash give power in the hand of center. Centralization give power in the hand of center. Which statement is wrong? D, that is centralization consider local level issue always. This statement is wrong. Out of the following, which is not correct advantage of division of work? quality of work get reduced. It is not correct advantage of division of work. To start with enthusiasm, it is called as initiative. Which statement is wrong? Support by other is not expected after anybody's initiative. This statement is wrong. Remuneration is not based on what? It is not based on emotions. Requirement of remuneration is not based on the reference and contact. Which statement is wrong? Statement B is wrong. Talent of each member cannot be used. Due to unity of direction, deviation from the defined path is prevented. That means A is the correct answer. Then concentration in work is possible by stability. Equity is seen by few ways, which is not the correct from the following, that is chair and cabin. Which statement is wrong out of these four? Statement first is wrong, that is equity means equal wages. What is the spread the crops? It is the principle of management. Then out of the following, which is not the function of management? Discipline, it is not the function of management. While planning, controlling and directing, these are the function of management. Out of the following, which is not the function of management? The remuneration, it is not the function of management. While decision making, organization and staffing, these are the function of management. Deciding in advance what to do, how to do and when to do, it is known as what? It is known as planning. Which is not the correct type of plan? Operational plan, it is not the correct type of plan. Why plan fails? Because lack of knowledge, insufficient data and overconfidence. That means all three. Which statement is wrong? No feedback system. Which statement is wrong? Conspiracy from enemy and bad luck. Out of the following, which is not the objective of good plan? To get money, it is not the objective of good plan. Which statement is wrong? Planning is something essential. This statement is wrong. Which statement is wrong? See, that is planning is thinking after failures. First step in planning is which? Identify resources. It is the first step in planning. The next question is, which is the next function after planning? Organizing, it is the next function after planning. The assignment as each grouping to a manager with authority necessary to supervise it is called as organizing. Out of the following, which is the first activity of organizing? D, that is identifying the activities, it is the first activity of organizing. The next question is, provide correct way of working, it is called as directing. Which statement is wrong? Directing is one time activity. This statement is wrong. Dash is like a brake system in automobiles. Controlling, it is like brake system in automobiles. Work on correct track with correct speed, it is possible by controlling. Out of the following, which is not characteristic of controlling? It is a starting function. It is not the characteristic of controlling. Then technique not used for control function, it is called as budget. Control system having feedback is a closed loop system. Then first step in decision making is recognize the problem. Then which of the following is the advantage of effective decision? No delays, quick action and no confusion. That means all three are the advantage of effective decision making. Which is not a technique of effective decision making in core company? Outsourcing, it is not a technique. Then employee not get energized due to motivation. Then scientific management theory has started from 1890. Next MCQ we will see in next part. Thank you.